so it's time for another unboxing video. Let's go. It's really large. So we are not in our usual spot today. As you can see, we are in the other house, but this is a bigger table and we have a lot of stuff to unbox, so I'm very excited. I'm starting with something that is not PR. It's my birthday present to me, but it's kind of like an unboxing because my lovely videographer Rushabh was in London and he carried it back to me. So it is a what's in my mail because it just arrived. And no, it's not from Marks and Spencer. Are you ready for my birthday sneakers, guys? Look at these beauties. Okay, so these are the Leopard Sambas with the orange detailing and the cream detailing that I have been eyeing forever. Okay, they sold out everywhere really quickly. I think they launched early this year and they were sold out really quickly. I tried on every trip, on my Thailand trip, on the trip before that. I just kept trying to get these and it was impossible. Everywhere in the store they were like, haha, sold out. And I was like, okay. Then recently I saw that they are back in stock in the UK. So if you're in the UK or you know someone who's going to the UK, just order, ship to them. It's also much cheaper. Like these were what, 100 and something pounds, and here they're selling them for like 20,000, 22,000, all of that. So I also got a great deal on my birthday sneakers. But yeah, how gorgeous are they? Then we have another birthday present. This one is from MISHO. They very sweetly messaged me and said they're sending something for my birthday, but I did not open it because I wanted to kind of save all the unboxing stuff for today. So yeah, there's a little note from Suhani saying happy birthday. Thank you, Suhani. Suhani is super sweet and they always remember and send something every year on my birthday, and I love MISHO. So what have we got? Ooh, how pretty is this? It's another bag charm. I already have one of theirs on my bag and this is going to be the new addition. Thank you. I love it. What do we have here? This is from Penguin, so obviously it is a book. Unless they have ventured into something else that I don't know about. But no, it feels like a book. This is a new coffee table book. I feel like it'll be perfect on the new like studio spot, you know, the corner that I've created. I would actually love to kind of go through this before the next trip and see if there's stuff that I can, newer stuff that I can learn about my favorite country after India. Thank you, guys. What do we have here? Sounded like beads or I don't know, something. Oh, this is from Myra More jewelry. Lucky me. They always send me the most amazing stuff. I love everything they send, and she sent a lot. Oh my god. Okay, wow, there is a lot. I'm going to open everything and show it to you guys. But let me quickly take a look at some of the necklaces. Oh, how cool is this? Like, I'm very into like mixed metals right now. Like, I love the gold silver mix. Like, I do it with my stack also. And just everything they do is just really pretty and wearable like every day. That's what I love about their stuff. I'm gonna untangle it all and show it to you. Hang on. Wow, look at this. There's like so much stuff there, like earrings, their necklaces. Everything is amazing. Thank you. Love everything. Then we have something from Clinique. What have we got here? I've become very afraid of using cutters. I don't know why, but I just have this now. I'm very cautious and careful. Ooh, we have, I think, some makeup this time. It's not skincare. Ooh, the Clinique Pop lipsticks. Okay, so I have actually loved these lipsticks. I haven't used them in really long, the new ones. The old ones, I remember I had the whole range and I used to wear them a lot. These are really nice shades. I'm actually gonna swatch them. Look at the packaging. I actually love this new green Clinique packaging. It's very cool. Great looking lipsticks. Just look at this. I have 3 shades. This one looks like a nudie-ish color and that was like a more of a reddish darker color. And this is a pink. This is called Sweet Pop. Like the colors are just so Stunning. How pretty does this look? Okay, I'm gonna swatch them as well. Like all three of them look amazing. Love these. Thanks, Clinique. Then we have something from fHair. I have been loving their shampoo and conditioner. You guys know I've been using it. I've almost run out of it and have to get more of it. There's a candle, there's a scrunchie. There are some seeds that say grow me. How cute is that? This is their BlowDry again UV Protector Serum. I can't wait to try this because I really love the shampoo and conditioner. Thanks. What do we have here? This definitely feels like a clothing item. It is too soft to be anything else. Oh yes, this is from Rafood. They have amazing stuff. Firstly, I love the portly. It's very cool. I will be using it to store one of my orange bags as a dust bag. I've already thought of that. Ooh, okay, so this is a top. It's really nice and has these little, you know, bits that you can tie or leave on the side. Very cool, very different. And they told me they're sending something for Weber as well. So I'm guessing this is for Weber, which is a really cool t-shirt. I'm tempted to keep it myself. Thank you guys. This bag was made for me. Sorry, I can't. I have plans with my dog. This is the story of my life. Very cool tote. And this is from Lulu and Daisy. I think this is actually for Mars. The tote is for me, but the rest is for Marzipan. Oh, there's some stickers as well. Yay! So they have sent some treats, I think, for Mazu, which he will love. Chicken jerky. They are, what are these? How cute are these? These are little puppy coupons. That's so cute. So these are the treats that they have, and I'm pretty sure Mars will love this. I love the stickers and everything else. There's also, what do we have in here? A note. Thank you, Malika and Daisy. We absolutely love this. Love the packaging, love everything, and I know Mars is going to love these. Thank you. Up next, we have something from Polite Society. I had to open the packaging because it got wet in the rain, but I have not opened what's inside yet. What do we have? They had an event at the store, which I missed unfortunately because we were shooting, but they sent me a really cool top. How cool is this? I love it. Thank you guys. What do we have in here? Some more jewelry. I am being spoiled today, but it's okay. It's all birthday stuff, I guess, since it was my birthday. This is Juju by ISHARYA. I guess that's their new collection. What do we have here? So it's a really pretty necklace. I love the colors and the detailing, and I feel like it'll be really nice with a stack. Like I've started doing a lot of necklace stacks, and I feel like this will work really well with that. Thank you. What do we have here? Ooh, it's something from Benefit. What do we have? Okay, they always do like the coolest PR packages. Like, look at this. There's an actual little like, you know, baby magazine they've sent with me on the cover. Like, that is so cool. These are their new foundations. I've actually been dying to try these. They've sent me, I guess, shades that would be right for me. There's light and neutral, and then we have a warm peach. But yeah, love the packaging. Also, Benefit used to make the most amazing concealers. I mean, they still do. I mean, I used to use a lot of their concealers earlier when I used to wear a lot of concealer. Like, look at this. Love the packaging. Very clean, but still pink and poppy. And I can't wait to actually try these and see what they're like. So yeah, let me know if you guys want a review for this and the Clinique lipsticks since I have them. We can do a is it worth the hype or like a proper detailed video, but love this, guys. Thank you. Last but not the least, we have a very big package, okay? I don't know where this is from, but it's really large. It's a very big box. Oh, this is from kindlife. Okay. Again, very cool packaging. I feel like all my packaging, like unboxing videos, there's something from kindlife and Benefit now. Thank you guys. You guys keep spoiling me. What do we have here? Some cute stickers. Some new K-beauty stuff. Oh, I am very tempted to try this. Lots of new products that I haven't tried yet. So yeah, can't wait to try these. Thanks guys. So guys, those were all the packages I had to open today. Thank you to everybody that sent me stuff. I feel so loved and so spoiled. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below and tell me what your favorite package from today's video was. Mine definitely was my birthday shoes because it was my gift from me to me. See you guys. Bye.